Hey people, so this is these are pickles from Mallu's Gourmet, and that is a tamarind pickle. And uh, you know, so how does it taste, Papa?
Yeah, tasting good.
Yes, and then next we have this thing known as tomato tokku, which is actually tokku is a very I think South Indian. Mallu's Gourmet is a Coimbatore based venture, and it's just correct. And then the final thing is the garlic. So because my dad is someone who is I would say a connoisseur of pickle. He enjoys having pickle with every meal, which is actually a very South Indian thing. So the pickle, the garlic is my child's favorite also, though I'm
It is just just spicy. I mean,
just, yeah.
moderately spiced. Some of
Okay.
the pickles that I have eaten in Andhra are
Correct.
very spicy. All three
Correct.
are good.
Yes. So amazing job, Ramya. I think you're onto something really special, because which would be your favorite pickle, pa, of the three?
I prefer that
in
inji. That
in
is,
Yes, it is a Malayali. So it's something that you would find in Kerala. Even I found that pickle to be the best. So amazing, Mallu's Gourmet. I'm just so impressed with the range of pickles that you all have. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.